Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. I am Barbara and today we're going to prepare together a little treat for babies. Kind of adult energy bites, but for little ones. We're going to prepare together rice, banana, avocado, dates, baby bites. But before starting, if you want to receive every single week a new recipe from me, simple, subscribe and remember to click the little bell so that every new recipe that I will post will send you a message just to let you know that there is a new video to watch. Let's start with this super simple recipe. The first thing to do is to soak the dates so that they will be nice and soft. Usually I soak them overnight. A nice little cup, some water, just place them in the water and they will soak overnight. If you forgot to soak the dates, no worries, there is always a shortcut. Simply place the dates in the same cup, a ceramic of glass, fill it with water, place the dates inside and microwave for 2 minutes. You will obtain more or less the same result. So the dates will soak, will absorb the water, will get puffy, and you will be able to use them in only 2 minutes for your recipe. I'm using some brown rice that I already prepared yesterday for a fried rice recipe, and this is simply a leftover. And it's very useful when you have already rice cooked to use them for adult recipes and for baby one too. Remove the dates from the water, remove the skin and the pit in the center and place the dates in the bowl. At this point, add the banana, and the banana should be very ripe. The ripe banana, the one with a lot of brown dots, is the sweetest, so it's perfect for this recipe. Mash the banana with the dates with a fork in order to create a paste, a puree. Add the rice, the avocado and mix them. With 1 teaspoon of the mix, using your hands, create a tiny bowl and coat the bowl with some almond meal. Place the bowl on some parchment paper or on a plate and keep creating small balls, coating them with the almond meal. The almond meal not only will give extra nutrients to our energy bites, but will also make them less sticky, so easier for little hands to handle the little balls. Being Valentine week, I decided to go for a very hearty and fruity decoration all together with my energy baby bites, and I created some hearts with strawberries. By the way, if you do not know how to do it, it's one of the easiest decoration that you can prepare. Simply take a nice large strawberry, cut the top, and with a knife make a V incision on the top. Very delicately remove the kind of triangle that you just formed, and basically you already obtain a 3-dimensional heart. Now with a knife you can vertically slice the strawberry and you will obtain 2 flat hearts that you can use for any lovely decoration for Valentine or for any other day of the year. Some questions you might have about this recipe. Can I use quinoa instead of rice? Yes, of course you can. You can switch the rice with the quinoa. It's totally fine. The taste will be a bit different because you can taste the quinoa, but it will be a lovely idea too. Is avocado a superfood for babies? Yes. I will never stop promoting avocado in babies, kids and adults diet. Basically, it has all. It's a superfood, has good fats, has proteins, has carbohydrates. Basically, avocado can be a complete meal for your baby just without adding anything else. So yes, it's definitely an ingredient that you should add to your baby's diet starting from 6 months of age, because the good fats, the omega-3s, they are perfect for the brain and the body baby's development. Can I store the baby energy bites or freeze them? Yes and yes. You can store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, or you can freeze them airtight container for up to more or less 3 months. Only one thing, the color will get brown because of oxidation. It's totally fine, it's just a change of color, it's not a change of nutrients. What if you don't have dates in the pantry? No problem, you can switch them with any other dried fruit that you have, like dried apricots. They are a lovely natural sweetener for your baby energy bites. I really hope you like this recipe. Also, let me know if you like this new section at the end with kind of questions that you might have on the recipe, because I was thinking that I can add this new section for other videos too. And remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa, and also, I don't know if you know, the fast-free toddler cookbook is on sale on Amazon. I really hope you might like these new recipes from the book and all the kind of strategies how to deal, with meals, family meals and toddlers. And the link for the book is here below. We're going to see each other next week with a new recipe, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Ciao, ciao, ciao.